What's up, guys? In this video we take the amphibious cart from Texas to Oklahoma, all on water. Alright guys, so before we get into this video, I want to just preface the whole idea of the amphibious go-kart and how it's kind of like a weird spin-off series. We made 3 total videos of the amphibious cart, and basically what it was me and my buddies were going up to Lake Texoma for 4th of July weekend, and we wanted to have something fun to do while we were there. So we decided making an amphibious go-kart would be really cool because it's on the lake and we'd be able to drive it in and out of the water and stuff. So we basically built the whole cart in one weekend prior to 4th of July and just, took it up there and see what would happen. So after we realized it would float and stuff, we went to outboard motor power, and then we just took it out on the water across the entire lake, and you'll see the video, it's really good. Anyways, so if you guys are maybe a little upset that we didn't actually take any of your guys' ideas into consideration, like paddle tires or lengthening the motor arm so we didn't have to sit backwards and hold the outboard back, it's not because we didn't think they're good ideas, they're great ideas, and we're probably going to include them because we do want to make another amphicart later on down the road, probably next summer. It's just that we didn't have time because we filmed all 3 videos at the same time. So on that note, thank you guys. Please continue to leave recommendations because, like I said, we do want to make an amphicart again just a little later on down the road. So enjoy the video. It's good. Buy some merch in the description. In the back we have the amphibious cart. We actually just finished testing. We're here at Lake Texoma. So Lake Texoma is right on the border between Texas and Oklahoma, and there's probably, I don't know how many miles, like a mile and a half, probably 2 miles in between of just pure lake. So I think it'd be a cool little video if we went from Texas to Oklahoma only on the amphibious cart across the entire Lake Texoma. I think that'd be pretty crazy. Right now we're gonna head to the public boat launch, drive the cart around a little bit, and then dump her in the water and see how far it gets. Some booby scrapers.
Yo, when are we drifting this thing?
I don't know about that one. Think she's ready for the water?
It drives like an actual go-kart.
That's awesome.
Despite it not being an actual go-kart. So that's good.
Yeah.
Is that full? Is that full throttle?
What?
Is that full throttle? Whoa! Yeah, there's nothing. You filled up the gas? Yeah. Probably do that. You think it's gonna make it?
What?
You think it's gonna make it?
Yeah.
Alright, journey starts now!
Here, and now that I come to think of it, I don't think the engine horsepower numbers is the problem. I think it's more of a drag probably putting all these buoys under here didn't really help that much in terms of, you know, actually making this motor be able to push. So, I don't know, maybe I really like this 63 or 62, I forget, Evinrude. It'd be pretty cool if we put it on like a little kayak or something. See how fast it goes. 'Cause it'd probably go pretty quick. This engine puts out a lot of power. Just when you're pushing a bunch of power into a brick wall through water, you know, it's not the ideal scenario. Donuts!
It does donuts. Drift machine.
Alright guys, so see all of this behind me? That's all Oklahoma. Over here, that's Texas. I don't know what this dam would be. I don't know, but this is taking forever. But we've gone really far so far, so that's really good. We have a really long ways to go though. So I think we're gonna see that little peninsula, the sandy peninsula. We're gonna try to just make it over to that. I think that'll be the closest option here. And if we make it there, that'd be crazy. I mean, this is more of an endurance test for this little Evinrude and for like us just riding in this thing. It's kind of chill though. I mean, I'd ride in this Sunday cruise, you know. But cool, let's go to Oklahoma. We're gonna switch off and Jason's gonna drive it a little bit more because I am tired. We're probably 30, 45 minutes in. I mean, but look at how far we've gone. This is crazy. Definitely the longest amphibious cart journey, I would say. Hey guys, what's poppin'?
Down a little bit, but it's chugging along.
All right.
Okay guys, so this is my first ride on this with open water, and it's actually way faster than I was expecting. I'm actually pretty impressed. I mean, it's still really slow, but I mean, that little Lightwin, she goes. It works really well. I'm impressed with this thing.
Came across a little bit of turbulence in the water. Nothing for the Amphibious cart though. There's Oklahoma. We're close, so close yet so far.
Oklahoma.
Texas.
Boat cart. Time for the swap.
All right, final shift.
And my captain's hat.
And she's alive.
It starts up beautiful.
Yeah, that's good.
Watch the throttle cable, Joe.
Joe, you what?
Joe, watch the throttle cable. Your feet are around it. What? Oh.
You might want to go the other way, Joe. I'm going back to Texas. No! This is so cinematic.
Hey guys, so we're getting close to Oklahoma. Finally, I'm on third shift. This is pretty slow, but it's fun. I feel like I'm exploring some unknown part of the world on something that was designed with the aerodynamics of a cow, but it's going good. We're getting there inch by inch. Evinrude's doing its thing. Predator's doing nothing because it doesn't work in the water, and we're getting to our destination.
Hey, you model?
I do.
Nice.
$5 an hour.
With the Insta. You good, Joe? Coming up to the water. Got like a bird. Oh, wow. Gray herring or something. Fishing. That's pretty rad. Well, welcome to Oklahoma.
cart?
Dude, we got spectators.
When we're making the plane cart.
I'd do that. Oh, he's
Joe's
ready.
fire. It's D-Day. We ready to shut off the, alright, shut her off.
Oh. Alright.
We're good. Woo. Hey, look at that. Woo. Hey Joe, maybe let's turn her. Sweet.
Oh, man.
So Joe, how did it feel? How were the final steps of the journey?
It was kind of like a scene of Castaway. I thought all hope was lost there, but the Evinrude would kind of go in and out of being an engine almost.
Go in and out of consciousness. Hey, she made it.
But when I saw the beach on the horizon, that was like that last glimpse of hope.
Oh yes.
Feels good.
Feels really good. Alright guys, welcome to Oklahoma. Nah.
Where are we building our house?
I don't know.
Colonize it.
We are colonizing this. Sweet. Man, we should have brought a fishing pole or something. You know. Maybe next time. Maybe if we do, maybe we'll keep it around. Do something else with it. Who knows? But all I know is that we're using the boat to tow it back. It was fun, but I don't really feel like doing that again. But maybe putting around a little bit, you know, going on and off boat launches and stuff. But I don't know if it was designed for long treks like this one. Alright, I'm just gonna do a little bit of a build biology on this thing, but there are videos of the build I'll put in the corner up here. But all Go Power Sports, we just got some rims, one wheel peeler, Predator 212 and a clutch. Go Power Sports has a whole kit there. Rack and pinion, that's really what made this all work. We had a mini bike brake as a throttle. 63 Evinrude, 3-horse, 2-cylinder, 2-stroke outboard. We added that in the last episode. We did just add some buoys underneath for some extra flotation, but gotta have that handbrake when there's no room for pedals. So cool. It's a little, pretty neat little build. So let's cue the montage. We saw, we conquered. Build, break, repeat, baby. Texas, Oklahoma. What are we doing next? California to Alaska?
Sure.
All right, cool. Right about there, that's where we started. And welcome to Oklahoma. Trip probably took us about hour 15 minutes. But I mean, it was really fun just laying back on the paddleboard. I'm really glad we got to have some boat assistance so we could switch off and stuff. So cool. Guys, thanks for watching. This is like the 3rd or 4th episode of Will It Cart. I mean, we made one hell of a machine here. We definitely tested it and it's passed. I mean, this thing will not break. So, thank you guys for watching. Thank you, Go Power Sports. Pretty much everything on this thing is from Go Power Sports. So, when you want to build an amphibious cart, be sure to check them out. Links are in the description. So, I gotta be home for dinner. Siri's telling me it's gonna be about 3 hours and 45 minutes, so we better get going.